Hello everyone, it's Tanya here and welcome back to What's in My Wardrobe. This is a series where I look at clothes that I own and I talk through any alterations, repairs or upcycles that I've done in order to inspire you so that you can do things in your wardrobe too. Today I'm going to talk to you about alterations. I've got two pairs of trousers and they had the opposite problem. One pair was too small in the waist and the other pair was too big in the waist. So I'm going to talk you through what I did to resolve the problems. So this is a pair of vintage Gap rust linen trousers and they belong to a friend of mine's mother-in-law. And she was having a bit of a clear out and my friend said, Tanya, I thought of you because I thought they'd make a really nice land girl look. And she was right, they do. When I first tried them on, I could get them on, but they were just too tight to be comfortable, and they didn't look that good either because it made me sort of bulge out underneath. So the first thing that I always do when I want to make a garment bigger is I look for where I can find spare fabric in the garment. Now, luckily for me, these were actually quite a long length in the leg and I'm not overly tall. So there was about 2 or 3 inches of fabric in each leg, which is brilliant. So the first thing I did was to take up the hem to the length that I wanted. And then I looked at what fabric I'd got left. So what I did was, and I think I've shown you something like this before, I created what I call a gusset in these trousers, which means that I inserted a piece of fabric which opened up a seam and gave extra width, gave extra room. So I unpicked to the depth that I wanted, just above where the pocket hits. That was enough depth to give me the extension on the width I needed without it looking too dramatic a triangle. So I kind of I did a nice line so that it doesn't look too dramatic. And then I added a triangle of fabric in. And then that measurement, which I did on both sides, added enough width that the trousers then fitted me. So if we look at the inside, you can see that it's a triangle shape of fabric, and you can see that this is the original side seam of the trousers. And here, and I inserted my piece of fabric and sewed it to the original seam on both sides. So that's basically extending the seam. I've inserted about 1 inch there, and that came from the hem. But what you can also see is that I've also added on to the waistline. And the reason that that is bigger is because here there were seams, but on the waistband, I actually had to cut into the waistband and it didn't have any fabric either side of it, which was seamed. So I had to add a bit more in at the waist to cover the fact that, there wasn't any fabric there. So it looks bigger, but it's not, because there is fabric here, which goes up like that, but it would have been a raw edge. So that's why I had to add that extra bit in. So I did that on the other side as well. And so they now fit me perfectly and they hang really nicely. So that's my gusset. And then here, this is a pair of vintage +4s, which I found in a charity shop. They're men's and they're a bit big on me. So I wanted to take them in. But because it's got pockets on the side, I couldn't really do it up the side. It would just have looked wrong. So what I decided to do in the end is to take these trousers in through the back waistline. Now, very luckily, there's a belt loop just there. So I took the belt loop off, I cut into the waistband, I unpicked this seam, and then I took it in. I amended the waistband, put it all back together and put the loop back on. And I'll show you what it looks like from inside, so you can see where I've done it. So yeah, if we look, you can see the original overlocking there, and then you can see my overlocking. So that shows you the depth to which I unpicked it, which is probably about, oh, it's a good 8 inches. And then I took it all the way in through that back, and overlocked it, cut away the fabric, overlocked it, and you can see the waistband where I've done that work. So originally that was just one piece, and I've had to cut into it to do that. But when you look on the back, you can't tell any different, because the new seam is hidden behind this belt loop. A good, neat alteration, and now they fit me. So I hope that's shown you that if trousers are too big or too small, if skirts are too big or too small, there's usually something that you can do about it. So I'll see you next time.